Vaccinations, trade wars, bankruptcies. What exactly causes the stock market to react in the short term? There are countless triggers to cause the stock market to rise and fall in the short term, and it would be foolish to say they could all be named. Here are just a few examples of what we are most familiar with. Some triggers have a bigger impact than others. These are items that both retail investors like you and I and institutional investors scan for. More recently, we've seen a lot of action with both fiscal and monetary policy, and a lot of credit being issued. These two triggers are more typically watched by institutional investors than retail investors. Credit ratings will likely see the most action in the coming months as the economic impact from the pandemic pans out. And I want to explain what to look out for. Much like individuals have their own credit ratings, which are used to obtain loans and mortgages, companies also have credit ratings to classify their ability to pay back borrowed money. The big three credit rating agencies are Moody's, S&P Global Ratings, and Fitch's. Something important to note is that there's a very distinct line separating investment grade ratings and junk ratings. Most large financial institutions are required to have a certain percentage of investment grade stocks in their portfolio to minimize risk. So what happens when a company outlook gets bad or bills don't get paid? They can get a credit downgrade. If they get downgraded to junk, large institutions will dump shares of the stock. When a stock falls to junk, it is called a fallen angel. In 2008, Lehman Brothers was slashed from investment grade to junk grade on September 15th, and that was the same day the market tanked. This was a huge company with a lot of shares held by financial institutions, so the downgrade had significant impact on the overall stock market. The last few months have been flooded with credit downgrades, and I encourage you to keep monitoring credit agencies because the list of fallen angels has surpassed the list from 2008. Thank you for watching, and I encourage you to leave a comment and let me know what you think.